Rearing children is an expensive proposition, from the original hospital bills, to the cost of diapers, to the costs of sports and dance classes. You know it is going to cost money. This is why you want to be prepared for the higher cost of placing your teenager on your car insurance. You will definitely want to have your teen insured so that they can properly learn how to drive a car. So here are some thoughts on finding cheap car insurance for your young drivers. There are several reasons why it is more expensive to insure a young driver. Because they have a limited amount of experience driving, insurance companies charge you more for the risk they are taking on your child. Statistics show that drivers under the age of 24 are involved in a higher percentage of accidents than older drivers. Because insurance companies' policies are designed around the amount of risk they are willing to take, they will charge you more for a young driver because the risk is high. At the same time, an older driver with an excellent driving record is a much lower risk and will be charged less for his car insurance. Just because the premium for your teenager's car insurance is going to be higher than the amount you pay for yourself, it doesn't mean that you can't find cheap car insurance for your son or daughter. Of course, you will want to check with your current carrier first. Sometimes if you have an excellent record, your low rates can figure into what you will be charged for to add your child to your policy. However, even if that is what will happen, it is a good idea to do some research and to shop around for the best deal you can find. Looking on the internet is a great way to make auto insurance comparisons. If you search for cheap auto insurance for young drivers, you may be able to find quite a few sites where you can submit some basic information and receive a quote. Remember, it may be less expensive for you to put your teenager on a separate plan, but more often than not, it may end up being more cost-effective for you to switch all of your car insurance policies to a new carrier. Be sure to enter the required information such as make and model of vehicle as well as the type of coverage you want. In order to compare rates with your current insurance company's rates, you need to use the same numbers and types of coverage for an accurate comparison. Of course, if you decide to change the type of coverage you have later, that is totally up to you. As you look at cheap car insurance, remember that you want to have enough insurance to provide adequate coverage in the case of an accident. Don't fall into the trap of getting inadequate insurance coverage just because it doesn't cost as much. Although it may cost more than you want it to, it is still possible to find low-cost auto insurance for your young drivers if you take the time to do some research and to make some comparisons between different companies. Share this video and subscribe us for more auto insurance videos.